Hey guys, welcome back to another live stream. This is Ratworks 22, I think, and we are once again building, freestyling, just YOLOing embedded apps. Welcome back, everybody. So excited for this one because we're gonna build a pretty cool game this time. I'm just drinking water, by the way. You should do that too if you're watching this live stream. Hello, Sleepy Dev. Welcome. How's it going, man? And of course, I gotta give the disclaimer to you. If you're like, we have two rules in this live stream. First, you gotta drink water, get hydrated all the time. The second one is keep grinding. Okay, keep grinding. That's the second rule, and that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna announce this live stream on my social platforms right now, primarily Club Penguin and Skype. So give me a second, I'm just gonna do that. I'm just posting stuff. It's alright, happy to see you. It's good to see you too, bro. I hope everything is fine over there. I hope you're getting some sleep. Well, maybe that's your thing. You never get sleep because you grind so much. I hope that's the case. Okay, all the announcements are done. We just jump right in now. We just jump right fucking in, okay? So, okay, wait a second. All right. So, guys, I have open sourced my tools. The stuff that I've been working on for the past 3 episodes, they are now open source, so you can go ahead and check them out. I finally put them in semi good shape. I mean, it's all right quality, you know, not the code obviously, but so guys, let me just give you a little summary of what I have done. So RatTech, that's the presentation tool. It's here, and I have tried to add as much as documentation that I can. Like this is the best that I can do, and some pictures. So cheese locator, that's what we're building today. I'm gonna show you what I have done. I'll show you what this thing is in a second. And the third one, ant tui. This is a tui for ants, all right, of course. And I have some documentation on how to run these things as well. So if you want to just try them yourself, or if you want to see how bad the code is, or I don't know, if you want to just contribute or do whatever, there you go. Everything is in this repo, the stuff that I've been working on. This is my whole life, okay? So give me a star. Give me a star and sponsor this project, guys. Come on, there's a sponsorship link. Let's get that cheese. All right, so that's that. Like I said, we are working on this thing over here today, and I will push my updates to this repo as I work on this. So that's that. And also check this out. I have a nice setup now. Actually, no, it's the same setup, but with these two little fellas over here. So you can just tell that I'm a Rust developer by looking at these badges. I mean, they are cool, right? So there you go. I got them for you. And we have a bunch of other stuff here. I don't know why my thing is freezing so much, but okay, there you go. So this is the screen. So yeah, I'll just show you. Actually, I'll just show you. So check this out. I have been battling with this screen and the limitations of the hardware for the past 24 hours. I actually couldn't sleep because of this. Okay, this is not a lie. I don't know why I'm lagging, dude. What's going on in my live streams? When I start to just share something, it just lags. Anyways, I should get a new laptop probably. So guys, I couldn't get sleep because I've been just thinking about how to embed my assets into this little device. Okay, I was literally thinking about that in my sleep because last night I was encoding overloaded. Wait, what? Anyways, I don't know what's going on right now, guys. Give me a second. Something is going horribly wrong on my side. Okay, I'm gonna just unload some stuff over here. Hopefully it'll get better. Do you grind your own coffee? Of course. Not really. So the problem with this slideshow tool is that I have so many images. Not so much actually, like 15 or something, and I couldn't put all of them into the flash of this device because it's like 2 megabytes or 3 megabytes or something like that. So yeah, that was a problem. So what I have tried is I realized I have this SPI flash module over here. So I don't know if you see it, it's right here. So I try to use that. I actually successfully used it for a while, but this is 8 megabytes, so I have a bunch of space in this. So in theory, I could just put my assets in this and then just, you know, use images from here to here, basically. But the problem was the setup was a bit complicated. So you gotta flash your own assets yourself, which means it's now a two-step process. You first like flash the firmware to this RP2040. Where is it? This thing, and then you gotta flash your assets or whatever data you have on this SPI flash. So it's like two-step process, and I was like not happy with that because it's just like additional overhead. So I have scraped that idea and just decided to go with less images. I think it's fair, you know, I think it's fair. So, but I mean, if you want to use this, it works. I have some branch that kind of like works. So yeah. Anyways, so I'll show you flash your assets. Yeah, first, welcome to the stream. Thanks for moderating the stream for us. So let me just show you what I have been trying to do over here. So now it's slightly faster. I have prepared a bunch of slides. So the talk is coming together, and we have pretty good slides, I think. I'm not gonna just show you the whole thing. 1 second. If you wanna see the whole thing, you can probably just check out the repo, but I don't want to just spoil everything here. So give me a second. I'm just skipping slides right now. Look, I'm just like skipping slides. So one cool thing is these stuff look really cool, I think. And also there's like this code pieces, like you can just draw snippets onto this display, which is, I think, great. I mean, the code looks great, I think. And yeah, those are my slides, guys. We have a bunch of cool stuff in here. Let him cook, you know. We have a bunch of Ratatouille apps in here. What else do we have? I don't know. I've been working on this for a while. Like I said, I couldn't sleep because of it. I mean, look at this. You probably cannot see the text, but there you go. Yeah, you're getting spoilers now. So that's that thing in the background is Tachyon Effects doing some B effects or something like that. So yeah, we have a bunch of stuff. What does it say? I don't remember. Oops. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, I'm still preparing the slides. I'm working on this. Hopefully it's gonna be complete until next week, but I'm making progress, so that's cool. So that's the first project in the Rat Tools repository. The second one, or maybe let me just show you this one actually. Remember the TUI for ants? Ant TUI? The smallest TUI in the world. There you go. I have put this in a better I don't know, casing, or like I don't know what it is. It is just like some socket thing. So guys, smallest toy in the world. Let's run it. Where's my cable? Where's my cable? I'm just struggling to find that right now. Okay, anyways, I couldn't find it. I'll just use the same cable. It doesn't do anything fancy. It just says oh damn, just says rat. There you go. It's the smallest toy in the world. Boom. That's that. Oh my god, Alex, stream stuff. Thank you, man. Like, that wasn't necessary at all, but appreciate the donation. That will go for a good cause. I'll probably buy some more boards with that. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. I don't know how to react to this type of situations, because they don't happen very often, but yeah, I'm blessed. I don't know what to say. I feel rich now, bro. Thank you so much. Okay, moving on. Thanks for maintaining Ratatouille, my friend. Of course, man. I love it. This is my passion now. Thank you. Of course, if you guys could sponsor me, that's also very appreciated. But yeah, thank you for the donation. So this is look at the wiring on this, man. I mean, guys, be honest. How does it look? How does it look? Do you think I could get past the security checks at the airport with this one? What do you think? Yeah, it's really tight, bro. I tried to connect everything. Like, you know, this thing was on a breadboard, and I had like the microphone and an LED and stuff like that on it. So I realized I cannot fit everything in here, so I gotta just remove some parts. But this turned out okay. I have no idea what the wiring is anymore, because I did this at 3 a.m. So I don't want to touch it. I don't want to remove any components from this. I'll just leave it as is, okay? And if you plug it in, it has a screen that says rat Morse, hold for the dot and dash. So it's basically a Morse code decoder. And we have another menu, which is the accelerometer sensor. So basically a step counter. So if I shake it or do something with it, you'll see that steps are increasing. So yeah, that's that. I think I have another menu. It's rat mic, but doesn't work. So yeah. So in today's stream, the idea is to, man, I'm frozen. Wait. I'm gonna just bring back my video. So idea is, so we have a buzzer, one button, two buttons, and one accelerometer, right? We can build a small game. If it beeps when you shake it, this will be confiscated. Yeah, you're right. I should not do that. I'm planning to build a game from this, because I think that will be fun. So let me just try to speak up my mind here. When this game starts, it will show you something like, first of all, find the, like, locate cheese locator, right? And then it will say something like, go 10 steps forward. And then you do that, and there will be some like stop, and then you'll need to type in some word using Morse code, and then the next stage will be another do like walk this way, walk this, or just walk or something, and then there will be another Morse code challenge. I'm thinking 3 levels, and at the end you get the cheese. So it's like a little real life game. I don't know, that's the idea, but I don't know how the implementation will look like. So yeah, that's what we're building today. I think it's gonna be fun. So yeah, let's just start. So we're gonna wipe code this, obviously. But before that, let me actually take a look at the code, because it's been a while. It's been 2 days. I forgot what I'm doing. So we have this app where we get the like Morse code handling, and also some this sensor readings, right? I feel like I can easily turn this into the cheese locator game. I just need a pretty good prompt. So 1 second. But if you have any other ideas, just let me know, because this is the first thing that I came up with, but I would be happy to just experiment with other ideas too. So yeah. Let's just go with this. So I'm building a small Ratatouille Rust based cheese locator game. Let me just put in what I'm using here. So I gotta just steal some stuff from the readme. I have RP2040. Here is roughly my code. It's not, it's just how many lines is this actually? I don't know. It's not so much. It's 300 here. And let's go to app. So what I have in mind is three sequential levels. First, show user something that they need to do. Walk 10 steps this way. Maybe show an arrow. Use the Excel sensor data to confirm. Then show user. Then show stop. Then show a text that they need to type, not type, to encode with Morse code. Get the input from the user. If it's correct, move on to the next stage. The words should be simple. For example, rat, tui, and what else, guys? Rat, tui, and some other word. I don't know. I'll just leave it to you to decide. Gosh, I think that's too long. Is this possible with that Excel sensor? If so, can you give me a codex prompt for minimally making changes and implementing this? Boom. Precise navigation. Intro, walk, stop. Yeah, success. Game state. Level table. Stage transitions. Helper methods. Alright, let's just wipe code it then. I'll just actually just paste everything here. Codex. So we could like do 10 steps forward and stuff like that. What I want to really focus on and improve is the UI. So I'm probably gonna use the the thing about these live streams is that this thing happens and I don't know why it happens, but like sometimes everything just crashes. But I think I did a pretty quick job at just restoring most of the things. Some things are gone though, but yeah. I'll just come back in a second, guys. This is very annoying. I don't know why it happens, like I said. But here's my video capture, integrated camera, nope, USB 2 camera. Okay, I should be back now, guys. I'm sorry, I don't know what's really going on. This is Claude's doing. I don't trust him either, man. I don't know what's going on. Like, why did this thing happen just now? Like, what is going on, right? But I'm thinking if I could restore my session. One second. Cool, I have everything back, I think. Right? Do you guys hear me fine? Is everything back? Probably it's all good now. Nobody's saying anything. Yeah, thank you for confirming. So just wipe coding. Just wipe coding. By the way, I literally had to reboot. I just rebooted. if I can implement this today, which I think it's gonna happen, I wanna take this device with me and just walk around in my room to just see if it's working. It wasn't close doing. I don't know. I was just trying to reset my USB bus and it just crashed. Everything just crashed. I don't know. Ever since I started doing these embedded live streams, my whole setup started to act really weird. I don't know why. But we're getting used to it. Okay, what's going on now? What has changed? On my PC, cloud code or open code even leaks memory randomly until my computer grinds to a halt. Your memory was almost full before the crash. Yeah, maybe that was the issue. Probably it was. Let's try to flash it now. Seems like we have this thing ready. I'm gonna just switch to my shitty video in the meantime. Hello, Erenay. If that brain thing is RAM, that is, yeah, that's the RAM. So I gotta get the logs. Rat company, guys, let's go. I need to mount this SD. Wait, it's gonna be a little difficult to do that. Wait, which one is the boot button? The boot is on this side. Okay, SDA1. Oh great, we get to have options, Ratcam and shit. Absolutely. Absolutely, man, of course. What was that command? We're gonna deploy cheese locator. Okay, seems like it's deployed. Hopefully you're seeing it. So it says walk forward. Yeah, let's see. Hold still. Spell rat. Hold for dot and dash. I don't know how to spell it. Okay, I gotta just actually learn how to spell rat in Morse code now. That's great. How to spell rat in Morse code. So dot, wait, what? Oh, so dot dash dot. It's gonna be a little difficult. Where is this sound which sounds like a fan coming from? It's actually a fan, sorry. It was just running. It was an actual fan. Okay, so dot dash dot. Oh, I fucked up there. Okay, next level. Walk forward. Actually, we could just like fake the direction of this thing. Like we could just say turn right and stuff like that. Doesn't really matter, I think. We could just like fake it, but let's say that we walked forward. Hold still. Okay, spell tui. I don't know, but you get the idea. So now we're just gonna work on the UI a little bit, I think. First thing first, I want to. So this stream is mostly gonna be UI things, I think. Maybe I should add the simulator binary here. I can do that. I have a simulator for the rat deck, so I can just copy that here. It's gonna be quite fun, I think, once we get like a faster workflow. We don't need events. Or maybe we could do that. Let me actually. I gotta copy some features from here as well. So cargo tomo. The backend config should be just the default, I think. In this one at least, I think it's the default config. Backend config. There's a flash callback, but that doesn't matter here. So we're gonna just remove that. Default. Okay, the size is important here because we want to be precise with our app's size. What is the size? 128 by 64. 28 by 64. And for the events, what can we do? Let me just run the simulator binary first, just to see if it works. Probably it's not gonna work, but I just want to make sure that I did things correct here. Simulator. Okay, so I need to add this dependency. Update my simulator. Press, so we can do like left, first button, press right, second button, press space, increase. No, let's do up, increase, step count, and space. Oh, that's enough actually. Yeah, that's enough. Once we have the simulator, this is gonna be just really easy to develop because I don't have to just, you know, just flash this firmware every time. Also, I should just say that it should check the compilation, check if it works by running this. There's no render image, man. Let me just drink water in the meantime. Wait, what? Oops. That shouldn't happen. Oh, I think it's because of the cargo config. Okay. I need to just comment this out. Okay. Who's today's water bottle sponsor? It's a good question. We're just getting sponsored by Erikli. I don't know what do you guys think about this brand? Is it good? Well, what is your favorite water brand? Oh, come on, just be quick. How did it handle that actually? Simulator event. Okay, we're getting there. I don't know if anything has changed in the app actually. Okay, what? Option unwrap on non-value, what? What do you mean? Okay, what? I have no idea what that is. Do I need to initialize anything here? I don't remember doing anything like that, to be honest. It should just work. Wait, it doesn't make sense. Is it because of the some options in the config toml or something? Okay, wait a minute. It's literally the same config. Oh my god. Just comment out everything. Is it because of the terminal render function? By any chance? What do we have here? Maybe I should have this thing over here, but probably not. Maybe. Okay, I'll just copy this whole thing over here. Without the font config. It should work now. Window handle. What is that? Oh my god. just copy the whole setup. Without the fonts. There you go. Well, this is too big. This window is extremely big. Can we close this? No, I cannot. I cannot close this because I don't handle events right now. Alright, so we gotta just close that out. How am I gonna kill this? Is it SDL2? Mouse simulator. Okay, simulator. I just killed the process, but it's still here. That's a bit bad. I cannot get rid of this, guys. Simulator. Can I just kill this, please? Okay, there we go. I'm gonna change the size under 28 by 64. Run again. And there you go. This is the exact same screen. I mean, without colors, obviously, but we don't have colors on the OLED display. So this is the thing, the same thing that we are running on embedded now. Rad motion. So how do I... Okay, we can just do this. Okay, cool. I totally forgot again. Nope. Okay, whatever. So you get the idea. Now we can do faster development on this, which is great. Intro ready. So in the intro, there's no intro, by the way. Why this thing is not starting from the intro? Intro should be the first stage. Stage intro. Do we actually have the intro on this? Nope. No, we don't have the intro. Okay, we gotta just fix the intro now. Let's go to tick. Detect transitions. Gap detection, that's for the Morse code thing. Update stage. Setup level. Now millisecond. How do we wait here actually? Oh, we can just do this. Can you wait on the intro stage at least 2 seconds for showing the text? There we go. Something like that would probably work. Okay, let's run it. Cool. So instead of rat Morse, I think I want to render game. So I'm gonna just remove this border. Render game. What are we doing here? Just pushing some lines. Okay, don't want to return anything. I want to return from here. Render the stuff here. So basically, we don't have a frame. I need to update the call side as well. I'm gonna change the name of this mode actually. I'm gonna have a game mode. Actually, I don't want to touch that because I think there's some stuff that I need to change if I change that. So for now, I think I'll be just happy with the Morse. It's Morse always rather as horse. Yeah, me too, man. Me too. It's really small, so it's like it really looks like horse. Let's have some horse emojis in the chat. Welcome to the club. I need to add twee big text. Twee big text, let's add that. And we're gonna render a pretty big text right now. So update stage. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna just steal some code from twee big text. Steal that. Come on. The colors, they do not matter. Cheese. Locator. Locator. I don't think we can use the full pixel size, but we could maybe try. Let's try it. That's just too big. That's just too big. Okay, let's go with octant maybe. I really doubt that it will actually fit the screen. Good night. Are you leaving? If you're leaving, good night. Yeah, that didn't work. I don't know. Sextant. Nope. One of them was. It was working, but I don't remember which one. Maybe big text was not a great idea because we don't have We don't have much space. I mean, almost. 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 Can maybe do wide. I'm gonna just try each one. Nope, that's not gonna work. Quarter height maybe. I can try changing the font for this, but not gonna do that. Oh man, what are we gonna do? I think quadrant was the best. We still cannot render the whole thing there though. We could do like cheese but with E on the next line maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? No, it doesn't fit. Screw twee big text. We're just gonna do our own thing over here. Cheese. ASCII text. Is there a website for that? Maybe we could just use one of these. Okay, size. That's good. No, this is literally just like... No, this is just the font size. I want to change the... I want to change the actual characters. Nope, this is not gonna work. How many lines do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How am I gonna fit cheese locator in 6 lines? Give me a text. I have 6 lines to do that in total. Cheese, I just arrived. Why don't you check pixel size? We could do that, but I just want to use the 3 big text if possible. Rat, nope. What's the size for this display? Let me just count the available cells. 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20 something. 6 by... Put cheese locator. No, it's not gonna work. No. That's not even saying cheese locator. What the hell? Cheese ASCII text art. Maybe we could just like copy that. Something smaller, please. Oh my god. That is fucking art. Oh, holy shit, guys, look at this. Cheese man. I thought that wasn't real, but turns out it's actually real. Cheese man is real, guys. So what do we have right now? Let me just see again. Let's just put Ches. Let's just put Ches here. I mean, we cannot put locator in here too, so we kind of fucked here, guys. Maybe we can do like 2 characters at a time. That like very quickly. I have tried using twee big text, but the cheese locator does not fit the display. So I'm thinking for the just show the individual characters one by one in those 2 seconds. First, thank you so much for your contribution as an ASCII art. Appreciate that. Thank you. Man, I'm so surprised that YouTube chat is not banning those and just banning links. It's so weird. Thank you for joining, Sleepless Developer friend. See you around. Let's see. Oh, that was actually cool. Kind of like that one. We could just keep it. I kind of like it. Should probably center that though. I don't want to align it to center, and I also don't want to add it to a paragraph. Don't push the lines. Just render it directly. No block. Not on center. Let's try it like this. Where is it? I'll just push the reveal. Something like this, maybe. I like it. I like it. And I want to add another line. That was so quick. Let's try again. I should probably just see it on the actual board. Gotta wait for at least 1 second at the end. It's good, but it should wait at least 1 more second at the end. Okay. I like it. Looks good. Let's do it like a terminal theme, so start with the $sign. Looks good, I think. What do you guys think? Let's try it on the actual thing now. Okay. Gonna flash it. All right, let's see. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Check this out again. That's pretty cute. That's actually pretty cute. Look. It's gonna look so good. Brace for impact. I don't know what's going on in my PC right now. Okay, so next thing. Very retro, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and cheese locator. It's gonna be the title. We're gonna render steps. Walk forward. So I'm thinking we could like just render using three big text here again. Maybe this time we'll have enough space for that, but I don't know. I really want to use three big text. Okay. Area, inner, margin. Horizontal margin. Just one line. Not sure if it's gonna fit, but let's try. Just says 10. I'm thinking like how should we render here? Not steps, but like is there like a up arrow Unicode character? I can just like use that probably. Upwards. I'm not sure if we can render that, to be honest. Probably not, because too big text. Oh, we can just like do this. So let's see. I don't think it supports these type of characters, so it's probably not. Oh, that worked. And then we can just try this maybe. Nope, of course. That's too much Unicode. That's too much Unicode. No. I'm not gonna put a food emoji, man. Come on. Nice try, though. Okay, 10. Spell rat. Let me try how it looks on the big, sorry, the small screen. Let me just try it. Yeah, you could probably hack it. Like I could probably make it a part of the font or the supported characters, but let me not do that. Let's see how it looks. Keys locator. Maybe we could just like let me restart. I'm not sure. Maybe we should not mix too big text with this. I don't know. Aesthetically, I don't like it that much. What do you guys think? It looks so... I don't know. Maybe we could just have the title. This is the hardest part, by the way, just making design decisions. Okay, let me see the previous version first, and then I'll decide. You know what? I'm not gonna use too big text here. Maybe at the end. At the end, yeah, we could do that. So, instead of this title, I want to do something like, first of all, format, level, and what was the level? Self level, probably. Walk forward. I gotta align these to center as well. Okay. Do we have like bold style? Styled? Style defaults bold. Level 0. Let's do level, let's start from 1. Also, I'll just flash this now. Let's see how it looks like. Steps left 10. Let me add a empty line. I think it will look better with the empty line in the beginning. Okay. So let's say that we're walking now. Stop, hold still. I'm gonna center this line as well. Let's do uppercase. Let's actually do something like iter, no, chars, iter. What is this, by the way? It's a static string. I think you know what I'm gonna do. To uppercase. Okay. Is this centered? Let's try. Wait, what? I think I accidentally added one extra new line. Oops. Wrong thing here. Okay, there you go. Okay, let's try again. I'm just doing some new line adjustments. Okay, we walked. I want to center the Morse code stuff, current symbol, so let's center that. I should probably add a padding. Hello Simmons, what up? Welcome. Are you using workspaces? What workspaces are you talking about? Cargo workspaces, yes. Is there any other workspace that I should be using? I don't know. No idea. Just trying to locate the cheese, man. Yeah, I'm using them. I want to add a... I want to make this thing uppercase as well. I was wondering if you can have different cargo targets per crate. So not sure. Right now it's a bit weird because I have, if I want to build for this board, I need to pass the target explicitly, because otherwise if I override it here, I won't be able to build the simulator. It fails. So I wish that was a thing, but I couldn't find how that would work. So yeah, I don't know, maybe there's like a rust cargo set target for binary. Maybe that's... Yeah, I've researched this before, but I couldn't find how that works. Yeah, if you know a solution to this, just let me know, because I don't know. Right now it's all explicit because otherwise it just clashes with the other target. Sadly, it's not great. It's not optimal. Okay, level 1. Let me actually spell it correctly. Okay, I totally forgot, but it was something like nope. So that's R. Rat. I did that. But there's a timeout. Yeah, there's a timeout, I think. So I gotta just do it really quickly. Boom, I did it. Correct. Next level. No, it's just cheese locator. Level 2. Now we walk for 15 steps. Man, I love this game. Yeah, I learned how to spell rat in Morse code. Now we gotta learn how to spell Tui. How to spell Tui in Morse code. Dash. Okay, that's easy. Oops, that was so slow. No. Boom, I did it. No. Oh, I fucked up. This is hard, okay? Oh, damn. Oh, man. Boom, I did it. Level 3. Okay, we just walking. We just walking and talking. Oh my god, this is gonna be cheese. This is so difficult now. Okay. Cheese, Morse code. Best game ever, by the way. Hands down, but oh my god, dude. Nope. No one is finishing this game. No one is finishing this game. Anyways. So did it for you found the cheese. I just want to see the you found the cheese text. Hello Shingo, welcome. Game needs a cheese counter. ASCII art of cheese on every level transition. Yeah, amazing. Can't believe you built something coherent from that brainstorm stream. Looks really fun. Yeah, just wait until I put this on the board, man. It's gonna be even more fun then. It's gonna be so annoying as well, probably. It's gonna be super annoying, man. You found the cheese. I just want to see that text, so I'm gonna just go to that stage. Complete. Actually, just for fun, we could just like render a big cheese or ches text on that screen. So something like this, and then quadrant probably. Just cheese. Just cheese. That's all. It looks funny. Just return. Just render cheese and just return. Maybe inner margin. Should be yellow, of course. Nice. This is a good prize. If you know how to spell those words, it's a good prize, guys. What do you think? Don't you want to see this text on the display? Jeez. Amazing. It's so good. We should add some cheat codes into this. So, stage intro. Konami code. Yeah. So, okay, guys, let me do something like, okay, I'm pretty happy with the app now. Some improvements that we need to do. First of all, use random number of steps for each level. Each level should be increased. The steps should be English, of course. It should be in incremental order. My English stopped Englishing there for a second. Okay, let's see. $15. Rat. Guys, I'm actually learning Morse code now. Oh my god, it's difficult. It's difficult, okay? Oh my god, I was so close. Oh fuck. Not Rai, just rat, come on. Man, this is annoying. Okay, I'll do it now. Watch me. Yeah, spacebar for a cheat code, you mean? No, I'm gonna grind this game, man. I'm learning Morse code, I don't care. I'm learning this shit, okay? Oh my god. I think I nailed it. $15 again. I don't think this this counter does not work. I'm just gonna revert that. I don't care. RT. Unbelievably silent keyboard. Bro is cooking, man. Okay, so I reverted that. Instead of that complicated logic, just generate a random number between 5, 10 and add it to the base numbers. Yeah. Is it a code smell to drive clone structs? What do you mean? Did I clone something? I'm not cloning anything, man. Okay. That's a lot of steps though. Let's just start from 5, 10 and 15. Okay, cool. based on the sensor value, can you also tell the direction somehow? Not sure if it's possible. Left, right. Tilt direction. It's gonna be interesting to see that. Tilt, okay. I don't think it will work with the simulator though. Tilt center, let's wait. Is it actually using... Oh, okay, it's using that. Let's try this on the actual hardware. Let's just try it on this. Can I just reset this, please? Do LLMs understand lifetimes in your experience? I feel like it always solves a bro checking by cloning. Yeah, agree with that. So tilt center, tilt right. Wait, I'm trying to like understand this. Is this really useful though? Like, it just shows... I mean, it's not really useful. I'll actually solve the first level, guys. 1 second. I was so close. By the way, it seems everyone eventually received the Tokyo Rust Hackathon prizes and was happy. That's cool, man. That's pretty nice. I like that. Great to hear. I wanna do the Tokyo Rust event again. I think it's gonna be even better this time. I have a feeling. I don't know. I don't have any plans or anything, but I think it's gonna be quite fun this time as well. Because I mean, now we have better tooling around these stuff, so we can build cool stuff, you know. So I'll just remove the tilt thing. I don't know. Is that really useful? Of course, Shingo. Just never mind. Just never mind. It's not that useful, the tilt info. I want to add some padding to this line actually. Should we center it? I cannot decide if I should center this or not. Maybe we should center it. So let me type in rat. Oops. Oh my god, this is so atry. I want to add some padding to this. Wait, what is going on? It's a bit annoying. It's actually quite annoying. Let's try this. That didn't work. No, just never mind. Okay, so I want to just randomly show forward. Randomly show forward. Pick one of these. Oh, we can use the Unicode character now. Give me left and right versions. Actually, I like the arrow ones better, like these ones. Okay. It's totally random, doesn't have any functionality whatsoever. It's just like, it's just for confusing the player, that's all. Okay, there you go. just for confusing the player. Walk forward. No, that's not correct. Should arrows. There you go. Walk left. It's a bit weird. Right? How can I make this look less weird? It says walk left, etc. Move, okay. Move right. Go forward. Move left. Move right. Walk forward. Oh, maybe it's on the right, it's on the left. It's on the right. And this one, English, is straight ahead. It's on the right. It's on the right. It's not random, is it? How is this working right now? Like, is this random? It's on the left. Yeah, it's random. Straight ahead. It's cool. I like it. Okay, what else do I want to do here? Beep once on beep 3 times on intro. Beep once while transitioning levels. Beep endlessly when you win. How about that? All right, we can try it out. Let's try it out on the actual device. Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. Cheese. I want to change some things. First of all, I want to go ahead and change the rat motion border here. Sensor values. So I want to rename mode Morse to mode game. Add another Morse mode for just playing around with the Morse codes. Okay. All right, just gonna wait now. I really like this music. No, I'm not frozen. I'm just watching codecs. This is this is software engineers in 2026. Yeah, I'm working. I'm just watching codecs. Morse lab. Should I just like change Morse to horse just for fun on this tab? Is it like encoder or decoder? Is it is mode Morse an encoder or decoder? Decoder. Sometimes I just get confused about these things. Peer reviews are the most fun part of software engineer's job. That's why we made it the job. All right. Simulator fonts. I'm just gonna get rid of this warning. Do we actually use this anywhere? This app is huge now. clear on next letter. I could probably refactor it, but this is like now a bit like wipe coded to the point where it cannot be returned. So I'm just gonna wild with it. Cheese locator. Okay, sensor values, Morse decoder. Cool, we have some menus and stuff, so okay. Let me flash this and see if it works. Not sure if it was a good idea to make this thing beep when it boots. But I guess whatever. Actually, let me build it in release mode now. All right, we can flash it now. Release. And we're just gonna play with it. Walk. Just walk. I was so close. Imagine that I'm just walking now. But yeah, that's the game. And the sensor values can be seen here. There's also Morse decoder. Wait, did I just type in Rust? How the fuck did I do that? What? That was not intentional. I need to rewatch that. That was not intentional at all. What the fuck? Guys, did you see that? But anyways, this is that was luck. I don't know what that was, but maybe that was just rust. Let's have a little thumbnail over here, guys. Oops, I fucked up. 1 second. Just have a little thumbnail. Just have a little thumbnail. Cheese locator, let's go. Cheese locator. Paris, how is the thumbnail? Okay, that was it. Guys, I'm gonna push my code. I'm gonna push my code. Perfect. Gotta update readme as well. Cheese locator. We could also have animations with Tokyo FX, man. I forgot about that. We could have explosions on each key, like each button press. Oh my god, dude. I gotta do that now. You know that I gotta do that. Oh my god. Let's just do that. Once you get these ideas, it's gotta happen. It's gotta happen. Let's just explode on each key press. Oh my god. How am I rendering that effect? I gotta just render the self effect when the key is pressed. Also, you could reset the effect by setting it to get effect again. I don't know if it will understand what I mean there, but come on, let's see. That's crazy. No, it's not great though. I mean, I have an interesting idea, but I'm not gonna do that actually. Let's keep it minimal. Implement cheese locator game. Alright, pushing my code. Cool. Now, only thing that is left for this presentation or this event is working on the Antwi. I still don't have an idea for that, but we're gonna implement that at some point. Alright, cool. Guys, I think this is it from me for today. It was fun. It was fun. I really enjoyed it, and we have a game now. It's functional. That's the most important part, I think. Hope you enjoyed too. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Thanks for moderating the stream, Ferris. I'll see you guys in the next one. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. But take care, everybody. I'm out.